Okay, Professor Baird here. More just basic stuff for volunteers. So these are actual emails. I've anonymized them that we got for people who did videos. This is not a YouTube description. The instructions are explicit. Here, we even give you a little prompt here that you can put into Claude. You can take whatever you said about your video. You can put it in Claude, and it'll give you a description. Once it gives you a description and a title, read it. You're the one who knows whether this is correct or not the media team. Of course, you need to include a link to the actual code. Should also put a link to your own LinkedIn. That's optional. But the reason why you're in this program, it's a bridge between when you graduated and when you're getting that real job. So why not market yourself? But this is unacceptable. What is that? It has to be that the media team can just simply take that, cut and paste that, take that, cut and paste that. Do not expect the media team to write these things for you. That's your job. Let's also look at the sound. So these are the videos. So one of them's here. It's your job. There's like 10 videos on this already. Open it up. Look at it. So the sound is okay. It's not great. But what we want to do is we just want to go to effect, volume, compression, amplify, and take it up a bit so it's more audible. And then save it again. That simple. But do not expect the media team to do that for you. Or if, let's take a look at the other one just for the, to see if people are listening. Okay. This is probably borderline acceptable. It looks like good job, video number 2 person. This is what you would expect to see. So again, do not expect the media team to do this stuff for you. You made the video. Another thing to look at, and I'll do a separate video on this, is to not have these little, this thing is in the whole video. I'll make another video on how to remove that. But if you want to remove that, you just take a screenshot, then ask your favorite language model, how do I remove this? So I understand that, you're a recent graduate. You don't have fancy software to record stuff. So Zoom is okay. OBS Studio is better if you want to learn that. But if you're going to use Zoom, look at the Zoom settings and see how can we remove this thing from the Zoom settings. Okay, so that's it. I'll make another video on removing that from the Zoom settings because lots of people use Zoom and that's okay. But this is not okay. It's not okay to do a Zoom thing and just have that sitting there. Okay, so that's it. I'll talk to you soon.